Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nasim from nasimreels.com. Today I am going to show you how you can connect Google Analytics to your Lemon Squeezy website. Lemon Squeezy is a platform where you can publish your digital product and you can sell without any extra hassle. And you don't have to give too much charge that other platform will charge. Let me show you how you can connect your Google Analytics, because if you connect Google Analytics then you can easily understand what type of audience are really profitable for your business or your product, and you can easily run social media campaign and you can optimize that based on your analytics data. No more talks, let's get started. This is the Lemon Squeezy official website and you can see payment, tax, subscription for software company, all that kind of critical tasks this company will handle and you can just focus on sell. So let's log in on this Lemon Squeezy, and this is the login view, and where you can see I already published 4 product as a test, and let me show you how it look like. If I show you my store, this is my store Grobies, and where I already published these 5 demo product on there, and now I just want to show how many people actually visiting my website and how many sales I am getting. So that's why I need to set up Google Analytics with that. And in Lemon Squeezy, here is a feature that you can easily connect your Google Analytics property with that. So first of all, we need a Google Analytics property. For that, we need to visit analytics.google.com. Then we just open. So this website is opening, and we just need to create a property first if you don't have. So if you are beginner, then I recommend you to make a property. So for making property, you have to go on admin, and then you can see the create button. I'm going to click on create and account, and then I am going to give my a name, which is my website name. Of course you have to pick your business name. So this is Grobies, and I don't want to give this check mark, and then hit next. And property name I just want to pick same, and I just want to pick everything same. And then I am a business industrial and it is small. Then next, and generated lead, sales, all I want to check. This for one I just want to check, and then create, and then I accept and create. So if you follow this few simple steps, then you can easily make your property, and when everything is okay, then create and continue. And this is my property is ready, and let's find, click on next. And when I click on next, you can see data collection is pending. I just want to click go to home, and this is the measurement ID, guys. Just copy it from here, and we have to go the login view of our Lemon Squeezy page, and then click design. So when you go on this page, then scroll down, and in the tracking section you can see this is the option to connect Google Analytics and Metapixel. I am opening the Google Analytics and paste this code and hit publish. And of course you can connect your Metapixel ID as well if you want, but I will do it later. Now my website should be connect with Google Analytics. Let me try and see what is happening. So first of all, we need to visit our website and then visit any page and then go to analytics, go to property and then real-time page view. Yes, my website is successfully connected to Lemon Squeezy website and all kind of data you can see I am getting. So let me, so I don't want to buy this product, so it's just add to cart and view cart. At you can see all the data is started, so that's mean it's working fine. So I hope you can understand, and if you need any help, you can comment or you can book a session with me. That's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up, and if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel. My name is Nasim and I will see you on the next one. Till then, bye, have a great day.